What you see here is a sophisticated network setup plan, but it was not created by a network engineer. It was created by Billie and Renee, two small cafe owners trying to build their business from the ground up. You might be wondering how, and more importantly, why. Stay with us until the end of the video, because we're gonna show you how they use AI tools to understand, plan, and build their own network infrastructure from scratch. Like many first-time entrepreneurs, Renee and Billie do almost everything themselves. They manage the cafe, serve customers, organize the space, and handle the daily operation. They even live where they work to avoid spending money on separate housing. At first, their main goal is simple: survive the startup stage. But very quickly, they realize that running a modern cafe is not only about coffee, food, furniture, and decoration. Their customers need more than a comfortable table. They need fast, reliable, and secure internet. Some customers come to work, attend online meetings, play online games, live stream, or run their businesses while enjoying the cozy space and great coffee. They notice that most cafes around them offer Wi-Fi, but not the kind of internet experience that serious customers need. This becomes their opportunity. They decide to turn their cafe into a smarter, business-friendly space where regular customers can enjoy basic internet access, while VIP customers can receive faster speeds, better bandwidth, and more reliable connection. But they notice that their current network infrastructure must be completely upgraded. They find that MikroTik is the choice, as it gives them a professional network platform with a strong hardware, deep control, long-term flexibility, and no expensive recurring license model, making it a practical choice for a small cafe that needs serious infrastructure without losing control of its budget. Besides the inevitable hardware expenses, they also understand their network must be designed professionally from the beginning. But it comes with serious cost. Professional network deployment can cost between $150 and $500 per hour. A proper implementation can take 10 to 20 hours depending on the complexity. That means the initial setup labor alone could cost between $3,000 and $6,000. And that is only the beginning. After deployment, the network still needs monitoring, maintenance, firmware updates, security reviews, configuration changes, backup checks, troubleshooting, and support. Those recurring services could easily cost another $300 to $500 per month. Over 3 years, the total cost of ownership could easily exceed $30,000 to $40,000. For a new cafe with limited cash flow, no extra employees, and two owners doing almost everything themselves, this number is not realistic. But something becomes useful for them. Being masters of operational cost reduction also makes them masters of AI tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. They use AI for everyday business tasks: marketing, social media, bookkeeping, and etc. AI helps them move faster, stay organized, and reduce the pressure of doing everything alone. It can also help them understand MikroTik networking, plan their configuration, document their setup through building a professional network. With the integration of Webpack and Claude AI, they can configure the network using simple prompts. Renee and Billie start by researching what a professional cafe network needs. They watch videos, read MikroTik documentations, compare solutions, and use ChatGPT and Claude to guide their learning. Through those AI conversations, they realize their cafe network is not just about Wi-Fi. It needs proper structure, security, and reliability. AI introduces them to the key networking concepts behind their needs. To separate the staff, guests, VIP users, POS terminals, CCTV cameras, and management access, they learn about network segmentation and VLANs. To control which sections can communicate with each other, they learn about firewall rules and user isolation. To keep the payment system working during an internet outage, they learn about redundancy and LTE failover. AI also explains the risks of public Wi-Fi, such as snooping, packet sniffing, unauthorized access, malware spreading, and bandwidth abuse. To manage multiple access points from one place, they learn about CAPsMAN. They also learn about centralized management, that the router is not just another box in the network. It becomes the central brain of the whole setup. Then, they explore how to offer basic internet for regular customers and better service for VIP customers. This leads them to the idea of Hotspot splash page with branded messaging, login options, and different access levels. At this point, Renee and Billie have a real technical requirement list. Once they understand the requirements, they move to hardware research. On Google Chrome, they use Google Gemini while browsing the official MikroTik website, asking which products best match their café network plan. Gemini suggests the SHA-2 LTE-7AX as the main router and LTE backup device because it can act as a central brain of the network. Gemini also suggests a CRS418 series switch as the wired backbone because it supports managed switching, VLANs, PoE, wired devices, and future expansion. For wireless coverage, Gemini suggests 2 CAPAX access points, one for inside the cafe and one for the patio, both managed through CAPsMAN. Of course, 2 of them spend much more time researching than what we have shown here. But with AI guiding the process, they turn a simple idea into a scalable network design. What you have watched so far was a stage 0. In the next video, we will start with step 1, network diagram and design logic, where Renee and Billie understand the full design and explain the role of each network segment in details. After that, we will continue through 6 more stages until the entire cafe network is fully configured and running. So, if you want to follow the full process step by step, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next uploads.